So my invention that I created was, I called it a warm my face. I took any type of hat that I had just laying around, and I got dollar hand warmers that are at the store. And then I also bought some paper clips. And so what I had done was I took the hand warmers and I put them inside of the hat, and I paper clipped them so you can't really see them. So there's 4 in there right now, so it goes all the way around the hat so that it'll, heat the top of your head and then your ears. So I did that, and it keeps it nice and toasty in there. And then I also did with a scarf too. So I did the same exact thing. I just took the hand warmers and I put them in the scarf with the paper clips. And then this is just easy. You could just take it and just wrap it around. It keeps you nice and warm. I look like a snowman, but it keeps you nice and warm and toasty. It's very inexpensive. You don't have to pay that much for it. I only paid $2 for the paper clips, and then they come in like a pack with 2 of them. They last for 7 hours. I really came up with this idea because my job is very, very cold. I work in like a warehouse type building, and we do have heat, but it takes a lot to heat the entire building. So I'm always freezing when I'm sitting there and sitting there doing nothing. I'm freezing, and I was like, well, what is a way that I don't have to spend $40 on a hat that warms my head or a scarf that warms my neck? I was like, what can I do to make that less inexpensive and to, do it on my own. So that's how I came up with it, just to, you can use any hat or any scarf, which is different than if you bought it, because if you bought it, you would have to use the one that it comes with. So this is cool because you can use any kind of hat or scarf that matches your outfit that day. Also too, how I would make it better is I obviously wouldn't use these paper clips because they can fall apart and they come apart very easily. I would probably do maybe sew it, or even Velcro, use Velcro to attach it so that it doesn't look tacky and have a paper clip sticking out. I would also maybe even to further the product, I would make kind of for the scarf, make a tube of heaters. You put the hand warmers inside, and then you can just slip it right in the scarf and it just wraps around your neck. So those are a couple things that I would do to make my product better. I can put this back on my head, and it doesn't really, it's not really obvious besides for the fact that the paper clips are on your head. But yeah, that's my invention. I called it Warm My Face because it does warm my face and my ears and my neck and everything like that. So yeah, that's my invention.